Hello everyone, I'm Divit Gupta, Count Dracula, and welcome to my show, Tech Talk with Divit. Today on the show, we have a hip hop engineer, not a pretend one, a certified one. She's big into organic eating and mindfulness. Please welcome Kay Malcolm. Hey Kay, welcome to my show, Tech Talk with Divit. How are you today? Or I should ask you, what are you today?
Thanks for having me. I am going as STEM woman. See my shirt?
Nice. What is STEM woman? Tell me more about it.
Okay, so I'm not sure if your viewers know or not, but I am the host of a podcast called Lashes Love Technology. And the whole concept behind it, it's a video podcast. It's a 10 series episode that's set to the tune of hip hop music. We'll talk more about that in a minute. And the whole idea is to give a space to highlight awesome women in technology, allow them to be their authentic and vulnerable selves, and have some fun while we're at it.
That sounds great. Well, I know you are a hip hop engineer as well. What is that all about?
Okay, so a few years ago, and my major is electrical engineering. So I started out as a DBA. I worked in Big Five consulting, right? I've had a pretty good tech career. And I wanted to do something different because one of the things that I like for people to look at me and have no idea what to expect. So I was at the gym and they said they were looking for hip hop instructors. And I was like, I've never danced before, but I'll try it. 4 years later, I am actually a certified hip hop instructor. I've got my AFA certification. And before COVID, I had a huge class here in Atlanta, Georgia at the Y where, we got down. And then you can see right there, not sure if you can see that.
Yeah.
That's Beyonce. She's my friend in my head. And so I do a lot of Beyonce dances in my class.
Nice. I need to see some moves.
Well, let's do it. Do you want to see some?
Yeah, sure.
So have you heard of this little thing called TikTok?
Yes.
Well, I happen to know the breakfast challenge. I did a talk at Grace Hopper at the women's conference, and we did the breakfast challenge. You want to learn it with me?
Breakfast challenge. I've never heard of it. So
okay, first, say, Kay, I will not be scared. Say it, you gotta say it.
I will not be scared. I will scare.
Yes, okay, all right, so let's go. All right, let me know if you can hear my music.
Yeah.
Yes, turn it. Rain, turn again. Rain, smile. Whip it. Yes. You did great, but you didn't do all of it.
Hey, you wouldn't let the Dracula smile. Come on.
That's
Dracula
right.
Smile, right? That was
okay,
fun.
Can I take off my mask?
Sure.
Okay.
That was
my lashes are hitting my mask. Okay.
This is so much fun. I know you are into organic eating, and this is so interesting. DBA turned into a hip hop engineer. Wow, that's interesting. Hey, Kay, I've heard a lot about live labs. I know you played a big part in creating live labs. Why don't you tell our audience a little bit about live labs, how various companies, customers are able to leverage live labs? Tell me more about that.
Okay, so Live Labs is a platform where our customers get to experience the best of what Oracle has to offer for cloud and on premises. It's solution-based, it's product-based. Customers can come for free, like totally free. $3.99.
Wow.
and experienced over 400 workshops. It's been hugely successful. We've had to date over 1.2 million views, thousands of companies, large ones, small ones using it. We are working on an initiative that I'll talk about in my video podcast at the start of the year to take Live Labs further to community colleges, high schools, universities, and the hashtag Oracle for All is something that really means something to me. And so we take this technology and we put it in the hands of all of our customers, and we give it to them in a way that they can be successful.
Oh, so is Live Labs like, your test drive for your technology? Customers can try things out?
That's exactly right. So if a customer, and the one thing I wanted to mention about Live Labs, it is completely 100% built on Oracle technology, the Oracle database, Oracle Apex, and we built this platform in 8 weeks. Robert Paston and I were, he was in London and I was in China, and we were trying to make sure that we could do this internally for solution engineers and cloud engineers like yourself. And then we decided to take it, because it was such a great idea, we decided to take it out to customers. But yeah, if customers want to experience anything from developing React.js, they want to pursue OCI compute, OCI storage, analytics, database, you name it, you can find it in Live Labs.
Wow, that's a lot. So how many Live Labs do you guys have? Any idea? Like, really?
I look at the number all the time. So we've got 270 Live Labs that are available for customer use. And then we have another 200 that are in development right now. Because one of the things about Live Labs is there are a lot of really smart people, Divit, Dracula, that are at Oracle.
Who's Divit?
I don't even
Yeah.
know who that is. But there are a lot of really smart people that are at Oracle. And so what Live Labs is doing behind the scenes, you are getting workshops that are being created by some of the smartest people on Oracle technology, everyone from development to even our technical product marketing, and then your team, the North America field, EMEA, LAD, and JPAC.
Wow. It's a big hit, I guess. Like, I've heard so much about it. I know how customers, I talk to customers all the time, and they ask me about Live Labs. And your information on Live Labs, your wealth of knowledge on Live Labs, I can't thank you enough for sharing this information with us, with my audience today. Thank you, Kay. Can't thank you enough for coming on the show and sharing all this information. This is very helpful.
Thanks for dancing with me.
Oh, you're welcome. I hope you were scared.
I mean, it was, you know what it was? It was a smile.
Yes.
Fantastic.
Thank you, Kate. Thank you for coming on the show. It's been really fun having you on the show. Thank you.
Divit, happy Halloween. Love the costume. Thanks for having me. Bye, friends.
Bye, everyone. Thank you.